What's going on, everybody? Mike Haytek here, voice actor, voice coach, demo producer, photographer, videographer. Yeah, I do a lot, but hey, it's all things that I love to do. Now, I owe you guys a bit of an apology. It has been a long time since I posted a video, and I'm sorry about that, but there's been some pretty good reasons. We bought a house, and anybody who's bought a house, you know what it's like. You gotta, all the closing and the packing and the moving, and then once you get in, you get everything set up. We've been in for a little bit now. We're still sitting in a sea of cardboard. We still got boxes everywhere. However, what I wanted to show you today was in my entire career, I've worked in some sort of booth. All DIY, homemade, been working for years, haven't had a complaint. So they've all worked really well. What I wanted to do this time is we had the room in this house. I have an office now. It's an actual office. And I've sound treated it, and I want to show you that, and I want to show you the desk, and just so you can get an idea of what you can do. This was just something that I wanted to do. I've worked in booths my whole life, or my whole career in voiceover, and I wanted to do something a little different. I got the opportunity to have an office, and it actually makes me feel more professional. Now, it's just me. It really is just me. I mean, I'm still wearing shorts and t-shirts to work, and that's what I'm going to continue to wear because who cares? But for some strange reason, just having the office, it just adds a little extra something. I don't know what it is, but it sounds good, and that's the important thing. You guys ready to see it? So we'll start off with, I know what everybody is interested in, where I work, where I sit, how I do it. That's my 27-inch monitor. Nothing special. It's not like high tech. I mean, it's a nice 27-inch monitor. It's full HD. It's not 4K or anything, but it works great for me. I am using an M2 Mac Mini with an external hard drive for storage plus, actually 2 external hard drives for storage plus cloud, and going into a Scarlett interface. I've been using Scarlett interfaces for a very long time. I like them. So I definitely, I recommend them if you're curious as to what the interface you want to go with. And I have monitor speakers because sometimes I just like to, not listen to everything through headphones, but I do have my headphones. They are hooked on the side of the desk over here. My water bottle, because it is important to stay hydrated. And yes, my friend Yoda. That's right. He's been with me every step of the way, and I got a spot for him here. Now, let's talk about the acoustic treatment in this room. This picture right here is actually acoustic treatment. When I saw it, I was like, it wasn't very expensive. So I'm like, what, the worst it would be a good looking picture hanging on the office wall. And it fits in perfectly with the colors of the other sound panels that I got. Everything will be linked below. And you can see they come in, you can just put them in different patterns. And we still have some unboxing to do. Like I said, we're still living in a sea of cardboard, and you guys are going to get to see the light change with no cuts. I'm not cutting anything. You guys are seeing it all. It's raw. This is the wall behind me. Those larger sound panels that I got off of Amazon. They're 2x4s. And more of the pattern. I love the way that those look. They look absolutely great, and they do the job really well. You can tell. You can hear it in the audio of this. And I have my own bathroom. That's right. I have a bathroom in my office, and I simply have to say it is really nice. It's a nice upgrade. And then off to the further left of this is a closet that's still got a lot of stuff in it that you guys don't need to see and you don't really care about. So hang on. And just like that, we're back in the chair. I hope you guys enjoyed this little office tour, and I promise we're going to get back in a regular uploading schedule. It's just been crazy, and I hope you guys understand. If you have any questions, if you want to know anything about voice acting or being a voice talent, if you need advice, just send me a message. I'll be happy to help you out. I will. Until next time, be good and record something great. See you in the next one.